Hi guys, here again with another video. Today I'm going to show you, or more like demonstrate, how I use the 5-5 timer as a PMW signal to turn on and off the switch in the boost converter. So here is the schematic. Now I didn't write the exact values I used in the schematic, but here is the summary of the schematic that I used. I did it this way, so you guys trying to make it at home gotta learn the hard way. I'm sorry, but that's how circuits is. Alright, so here we go. Let's just plug it in. And the voltage is rising. Stop. It's 125 right now. Let's discharge it. There you go. You saw those nice sparks. And that's the basic 5-5 timer boost converter. And I am currently running the circuit at 3 kilohertz square wave. So here I have a filtering capacitor because my power supply is not perfect, and everything else is a basic 5-5 timer setup. And pin 3 goes into the transistor here that is gonna switch on and off the current going through the inductor. And when the switch or the transistor is switched on, current passes through the inductor, and then once the switch or transistor is off, the remaining electromagnetic field is pushed into the capacitor here, and there is a diode right here that prevents any high voltage peak going back to the 5-5 timer. And there is a diode right here that is used to push the electromagnetic field from the inductor into the capacitor, thus charging it. And that's it for the video today. Thank you for watching.